Madison, and I'm back with another video. Period, no tampon, heavy flow.
Baby, yeah, loveless. I don't wanna fuck this up. Tell me what you need.
So today, y'all, as y'all can see, I'm all kind of dressed up. Let me just, okay. This is not a bodysuit, it's a two-piece. Skims. My first skim set on a hoe. Anyways, so yeah. This my hair is giving like very like, I don't know. But yeah, y'all, I'm getting distracted. So today, I am doing a travel vlog because I'm traveling to my sister's Division 4 game, like her state game. It's not state, it's like the championship, but it's like the final four to the championship. So I'm going there, and if they win, I might stay in Dayton until, you know, the championship. So hopefully, let's pray that they win, because I love her, and I'm so like proud of her and excited for her. So yeah, we're doing a car vlog, car ride. I'm just giving you my fit. I'm all packed up. I just gotta get some drinks, and that's pretty much it. So I'll catch y'all in the car. Okay, y'all, so currently I'm gonna pack up the car. I got my birthday, what is this, Christmas gift, and I know it's like, what, March, but I never had the time to give it to my dad because I don't go home for real. So, yeah, got my bed. It's giving provider. I'm finna provide today because I'm finna take Janae and get some canes because I'm a provider and stuff. Y'all like the fit? Yeah, this is a cute flannel, huh? I tied it. But yeah, y'all. Road trip. I'm excited for a road trip. It's well needed. Because, yeah, I'll catch y'all when I'm in the car. How do you feel? Our first road trip in a while. Why do you act like that? That's annoying. Car ride. Okay, y'all, let me show you what I got. I got these fries. I almost choked, y'all. And then I got 2 chicken sandwiches because it's giving. I'm hungry. And then Janae, what did you get?
10-piece of fries.
Yeah, this is so good. I feel like Wendy's have the best lemon. You should like ice though, or no ice. I think it was hella ice, but. I went to States for basketball literally my freshman and sophomore year and won both years. So I'm just so excited that my sister gets a chance to, you know, have a chance to go down to the States championship. This is like a real cool experience that not everybody really get to do, but especially playing for a team. So I'm just so proud of her that she's actually being able to do that this year, and hopefully she do it next year. But yeah, y'all, I'm finna also go into the transfer portal this week, so it's giving new location, and I can't wait to pop out and tell y'all like the new school I'm going to, because I'm so excited for a new change, because I'm tired of people like taking my talent for granted and treating me like I ain't what I am, you know. So I'm just excited because this school just never gave me no chance and treating me like, And I can just go on and on about my experience, but I'm not going to do all that. But yeah, y'all, just excited. This has been like a really good couple months. I hope like I keep getting blessings on top of blessings. So I'll catch y'all when I'm at the game. Okay, y'all, so we're at the game, and I'm kind of scared because nobody at this school really messed with me, but we're just gonna be low-key. Hopefully they don't recognize me. And we got Janae in the cut. We're game. Look at my sister, y'all. Big McKinney, not the little. Y'all, remember my sister game. No sissy. Ooh, I moved down. Go sister, shooter, not the little. I feel like $1,000,000. Yeah. So yeah, y'all, I'm here. I'm not gonna put all the lights on, but like, look how cool the background is. So yeah, this is a room tour. It's just simple, it's just for the night. So yeah, y'all. A little interruption on today's video. I just wanted to come out and say thank you for complete waxing kit from Trust Wellness. For giving me a waxing kit that you can wax any part of your body that you know, hair or whatever. So like, watch this like little video me unboxing it and like trying it out. Cause y'all should all go check them out and buy their waxing kit because it's actually 10 out of 10 and I love it. I love to use it. It's better than shaving. So let's get into it.
Boom boom so tight, some man now fit cheat. Phone take a picture, yeah, that you fit tweet. Tell them, y'all them white, y'all them careful. Yeah, do it and I catch it on the beat. Me go down and a wine and a bubble and back the jar just a jump is a trouble and me and a man just a couple and a cuddle boom. The body head and me we bust it like a bubble and.
So y'all, as y'all can see, this is a masterpiece. This is a 10 out of 10 and it works so good and my legs feel so smooth. I'll go try this out. Trust Wellness. Go get y'all kit today. Okay, hey y'all, so today's day 2. I haven't vlogged all today, but I went to Waffle House for the first time in forever and I gave it a 7 out of 10. It was decent, but I'm not a big waffle girl. But now we're at the mall because we're exploring Dayton.
Why are you screaming, bitch?
Because we're exploring Dayton. I'm so excited. Even though I'm from Ohio, I don't think I've really ever been in Dayton for real. Okay y'all, I'm back. Sorry about the lighting, but okay, I wasn't doing good with vlogging today, I ain't gonna lie, but I got 2 things at the mall, some Bath and Body Works. That's the only thing I got, and then we just stayed in. But now we finna go get dinner. We're at Target, and then we're gonna get some dinner. Roosters, my first time ever vlogging today, but we really didn't do too much, right?
Yeah. I mean, just chill the vibe.
Yeah. Hey y'all, so right now we're at the bowling alley. We're gonna go bowling and stuff like that, and then we're gonna go to the arcade. So I might film a little bit of that. Dinner was actually really good. I gave it like an 8 out of 10. But yeah, just catching up. I'm gonna put some little clips in there of me going bowling. So yeah. Walking through the hood, gotta flee without a stain. I'm not my question, I'm a prodigy, they know the name. You're running up, So yeah, y'all, I lost bowling. Bopping and Bimey.
Not the little one.
Yeah, she cheated first of all. But anyways, we finna play some arcade games right now.
Boy, if you don't get.
So I and yeah, I might vlog a little bit. So see y'all later. Put on my watch. I got third. She got second. Hey. Are you playing three? What is happening? Yeah, I'm playing three. Surfboard, drain. Yo, I got higher score, but she beat me. Oh.
That's gonna work either.
That just looks so hard to get. Come on. Yeah! She finally up there! Oh. Why would you fuse in the car? That sounds toxic, y'all. Y'all, we hit 524. Big girl, not the little. Then we're actually close. We got something like from you. That's 1,000. That's $12.
Really, nigga?
I'll come back when we get stuff. Okay, y'all, so we're done. And like, we have 524, like I said. I thought that was a lot at the time. But unfortunately, but in reality, it wasn't.
Let me hold it for you.
Okay. So the first thing, we got some candy. We got 2 of these. You feel me? And then we got 4 pixie sticks. It's giving broke. Because these are only like, what, $1 each? 1 little penny. And then we got 2, which was my favorite. 2 pens. And look how cute they look.
They're not even pens, they're mechanical pencils because we were too broke to get Keep going.
And then I got a ring. Look how the diamond bling bling. It shine.
Yeah. Pay $20K for that.
$20K. You could never. Okay?
Ever.
Ever.
You hoes could never.
And then the last thing we got is this football.
Because I'm a baller.
Yeah.
Yeah. And once again, if you didn't see already, we won him.
What? And we named it what?
Theodore.
I thought it was Ted.
Honestly, we should name him Cat, like Cat Williams. He's giving me pimp.
Cat.
Like he got a little lean in his walk.
Okay, we're gonna name him Cat William. I like the eyebrow too.
So he got the little eyebrow just like you be doing that eyebrow. So. Looks just like mommy.
Okay,
now.
Yeah, so we did real bad. This is probably the worst we ever did with point wise.
Yeah. But we didn't play for tickets. We played for fun.
So yeah, y'all. So that's it for today. But tomorrow is my sister's state championship game. Are you excited?
Very.
So yeah.
She gonna kill it.
Period. We catch y'all tomorrow.
After we get our blast.
Just for me.
Alright.
Hey y'all, so this is day 3, the last day of this like vlog, and today's my sister's state championship game, and I'm very excited. It's at 2 and right now it's only 11, and right now we're finna get cupcakes. I'm finna eat cupcakes. I don't know which one she's getting. I don't know what I'm getting. Oh, I'm getting red velvet. Yeah, but
I'm getting 2.
Okay, y'all, so we didn't get nothing on Raw, so that was like pointless. And we're finna go to Cane's now because we got time to spare because she wants to just be out all day.
The hotel checkout is at 11.
Knowing we don't have nothing to do.
We have to leave by 11.
We did everything yesterday, so we're just looking like a sitting duck. Hi, everybody. While your ticket to today's game gives you the chance to watch us compete for a state championship, it also gives you the chance to watch us learn. One of the biggest lessons we're learning today is to respect our responsibility to give our best. We're also asking all y'all, so just a little update. I didn't vlog that much during the game because I was just too much like focused, but they lost by like only 2. They only lost by 2. They lost the state championship, and I'm sad. But my sister, she balled out. She did what she had to do. She was shooting so good. Like, I'm like literally so proud of her, and she's only a junior. But let me, right here, you will see like the points she had. She had 20 points and 11 rebounds and 4 assists. You will see it right here for proof, because I don't play. But yeah, she did what she had to do. The game's over, and that's the end of this vlog. So don't forget to subscribe, comment down below, and follow me in all my socials. And look in the description down below if you want to buy the waxing kit, because it should be in my description. Thanks for watching. Bye.